Hi, I'm Kevin Preston with Boniface Hires Auto Group, and I'm here to tell you about the 2023 Dodge Charger Super Bee Special Edition. This Super Bee starts life as a 1320 Scat Pack before Dodge modifies it from there. They made 1,000 of these. That's one for every 3 Chrysler dealers in the United States of America. It's available 500 in B5 Blue and 500 in Plum Crazy Purple, which are both classic muscle car colors from the 1960s and 1970s. Prominently featured on the front of the Super Bee is the classic Super Bee emblem. It's equipped with functional hood scoops, including some that allow cold air to pass through that radiator, allowing proper cooling of the motor. Down low, the grille includes ducting to the brake works, as well as some cold air ducting up to the airbox. The whole thing is rounded out with black back-plated functional hood pins, keeping everything down and secure at speed. The original Super Bee dates back to 1968 to 1971, the height of the muscle car era. Dodge saw their sister company, Plymouth, sales surge with the Roadrunner. The classic B body platform, their mid-size platform that Mopar used for cars such as the Fury, the Coronet, the GTX, the Charger, and Dodge wanted to join the game, so they asked Mopar, and Mopar came out with the 1968 Super Bee that was originally available in colors such as B5 Blue and Plum Crazy Purple. Thanks for watching. Follow us for more videos on cars just like this one, and if you want to take a look at this Super Bee, come down to Boniface Hires Chrysler Dodge Jeep Ram in Cocoa, Florida. Thank you.